Revelations of Light Part 2. Learning to hold the light. Once the space has been made, the light does not rush in. It waits. It listens. It moves only when your vessel is ready to receive. Illumination is not forceful. It is measured. It is intelligent. It flows only as much as can be held and settles quietly into the spaces prepared by patience and presence. Within you, many sparks lie dormant. Some have always been awake. Some have been buried beneath habit, fear, or memory. Some have waited for recognition, not rescue. These sparks are patient. They do not demand, they do not push. They respond only when alignment begins. Alignment comes when your inner world begins to agree. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions move in coherence. When your heart softens, your mind slows, and your body relaxes. In these moments, restoration begins. Fragments that felt isolated begin to communicate. Tension dissolves, a subtle reorganization occurs that is invisible to the eye, yet undeniable in feeling. Sometimes you notice this in small, everyday ways. The way a difficult conversation doesn't drain you as much. The way your sleep feels deeper. The way you pause before reacting and suddenly see a solution or a truth you had overlooked. Sometimes it is quieter. A sense of calm settling in your chest when life feels chaotic. A gentle smile arising when you least expect it. A moment of gratitude that slips past your thinking mind and lands straight in your body. These are the sparks responding. The subtle whisper of alignment within your inner world. You are not here to hurry this process. You are not here to force revelation or measure your progress. The light moves through patience, through presence, and through integrity. Every pause you take, every moment you choose awareness over reaction, every small act of compassion is a ripple of restoration. Even when it feels insignificant, it is lifting something unseen. Your life, like creation itself, unfolds in cycles, contraction followed by expansion, clarity followed by mystery. These rhythms are not mistakes. They are invitations. They are opportunities to gather the sparks within you, to make space for what is ready to emerge, to remember that you are already whole. You do not need to search endlessly for illumination. It is already moving toward you. It meets you in the quiet, in the pause, in the place where you are willing to hold it. Think of it this way. When you take a deep breath before making a choice, when you slow down in the middle of a hectic day, when you pause to truly listen to someone without immediately reacting, you are holding the light. You are creating the conditions for sparks to awaken, not through effort, but through presence. And as you begin to hold the light, you discover its subtle intelligence, how it gathers the fragmented parts of yourself, how it awakens dormant sparks, how it restores coherence and balance without force. This is the work of revelation. Not dramatic, not urgent, but steady, quiet, sure. You are not separate from this movement. You are not an observer. You are a vessel, a participant, a meeting place where the unseen flows into form. And as you practice presence, patience, and alignment, the light begins to speak softly through your life. It does not need announcement. It does not need validation. It simply moves, it flows, it restores, it awakens. This is the beginning of your remembering. This is the start of your first revelation. This is where the journey unfolds, not as a race, but as an awakening of what has always been within you.